Hello and welcome. I am Matt Taylor and this is my variety channel. Today I'm bringing you some more cryptocurrency news. For those of you who are new to my channel, about once a week I look through a bunch of articles in the news that are related to cryptocurrency, and I share one or two with you that I find interesting. And I could share a lot more, but it'd make this video really long. And so there we go. I'm going to share a couple articles, or one article today with you. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. First, let's take a quick peek over at the coin market cap. The market cap is at 277 billion. It's dropped a bit from the last video I did a week ago. And Bitcoin is right around the 10,700. See if it can stay above that support level of 10,500. We'll see. And it was, if we look at this graph right here, you know, we dropped down quite a bit. For those of you who are paying attention to the market, we dropped down quite a bit right here on August 15th. So just about 4 days ago, we were down to 9,600. And then it's gone up about 1,000 since then. And some people think it's because of Backed with their Bitcoin futures that was announced, or it was approved or whatnot. So that could definitely be the reason why we jumped up. So we'll see what happens. Other companies are still bullish on Bitcoin. Goldman Sachs is still bullish on Bitcoin, and the main news that I have for you today is talking about Bank of America, and it's really interesting as well. Once we start seeing these bigger players like Goldman Sachs, Bank of America, and other big banks getting into it more and more, that's a really good sign, I think. Even though they always talk about this stuff, you know, so it's always nice to see when it actually happens. That is the thing, is they talk about it, but are they actually going to do it? Well, let's take a look. So this article from Cointelegraph by Max Body: Bank of America files patent for multi-tiered digital currency wallet. That's pretty awesome. So the United States-based investment banking company Bank of America has filed a patent for a digital currency wallet with multiple layers of asset access. The proposed wallet would accept different passwords for different amounts of funds requested. The United States Patent and Trademark Office published Bank of America's application on August 15th. Per the filing, this technology would comprise a computing platform with a digital wallet interface. The platform would be configured to operate within a peer-to-peer network for blockchain management, which could potentially be public or private. The application points to Bitcoin and Ether as examples of digital currencies that are increasingly gaining attention, and per the filing, driving the need for better wallet infrastructure. As an example of how the wallet could work with top cryptos, Bank of America says, as an illustrative example, the user may have logically abstracted 4 Bitcoin and 20 Ethereum in the first tier of the digital wallet interface. The user may specify a first network function request for the Bitcoin decentralized P2P network involving 3 BTC and an address within the Bitcoin network, and a second network function request for the Ethereum decentralized P2P network involving 10 Ethereum and an address within the Ethereum network. According to the filing, there are currently a number of issues with cryptocurrency wallet security, particularly in regard to private key management. Namely, private keys held by users are susceptible to theft or mishandling, and private keys held by third parties are no longer wholly owned by users. Bank of America believes that their multi-tiered wallet system would be more secure than current wallet systems. A patent for settlements. As previously reported by Cointelegraph, Bank of America has also filed a patent application for a settlement system. The technology in question apparently involves a digital ledger shared by multiple banks that would allow them to conduct settlements in real time. The patent apparently cited a refunded Ripple settlement, but made no mention of Ripple's XRP. So there we go. That is the news coming from Cointelegraph about Bank of America developing, or they sent in an application for a patent for their own digital wallet, which is pretty cool. It's cool to see banks, especially a bank this big, developing or developed their own cryptocurrency or digital wallet. Whether they claim that other wallets are insecure or not, that's left to be determined. But I could see the things with private keys. If someone gets a hold of that, they can get hold of your money, hold of your crypto. So if there's a way to circumvent that a little bit or make that more secure, and if they can come up with that, well, great, more power to them. So what are your thoughts? Let me know down below what your thoughts are of Bank of America and their filing of a patent for their own multi-tiered digital wallet. Let me know what you think about that in the comments. So just a short little article for you today. Let me know if there's any other news that you have heard of that you're excited about. Drop that down in the comments as well. Once again, my name is Matt Taylor, and I am not giving any cryptocurrency advice as far as coins that you should invest in. Make sure you do your own research before you invest in any cryptocurrency. And if you want to take a look at my favorite coins, I have some videos here on my channel where I talk about some of my favorite coins that I have in my portfolio. And so until next time, I'll see you again soon. Happy investing, everyone. Take care.